Day after day, I must face a world of strangers where I don't belong, and that fits wrong. It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to who will always care. You're always there.